got 1/3 times 6x minus 9 plus 4 is greater than 5x minus 2.
I teach 2 blocks of Algebra 1 honors to 6th graders, and that really opens up opportunities for them further down the road in high school. For a lot of these kids who want to be doctors and they want to be engineers and they want to go into these really cool and exciting STEM pathways, they're going to be so much further ahead of their peers, not just in Fairfax County, but in Virginia and the US. That's the idea behind this Algebra in 6th grade program, and it's definitely shown to be a big success this year.
At Lemon Road Elementary, I had 24 students in my Algebra 1 class, and all of them passed advanced on the SOL. They, as a class, have overcome something that a lot of 6th graders haven't had the opportunity to do, and they've learned and grown in so many different ways, not just mathematically, but in their confidence and their love of math.
It was different from any other year of math I've ever done in my life so far. Solving 3 variable sets of equations, it took me quite a while to get through that.
You have quizzes every week, and especially with honored standards, they're harder quizzes. And I kind of just had to keep moving and take your time, go over your answers, and then once it's over, you gotta move on. You gotta keep studying for what's next.
I remember like crying before tests and quizzes because I would just be so nervous. But now I know if you just prepare, you'll be fine. And I think Ms. Cacabelli has really helped us grow on from that fear feeling.
I learned that when times are tough, I can persevere and I can do this.
I learned that I'm like very persistent. At the start of the year, I was like, oh my God, I feel like I can't do this, but I set this goal for myself and I had to achieve it for me.
I definitely learned that these kids are more than capable. It doesn't matter that they're young. It matters that they want to do well. At Haycock, on their SOLs, all 58 of them passed, and 20 of the 58 got a perfect 600 score, which is incredible, and I'm so very proud of them for that.
I found that I like learning algebra, but it's way better with a really supportive teacher who helps you every step of the way, and also provides fun activities that give a creative way to learn.
I was nervous at first, and now I'm like excited for algebra and for geometry next year.
To be honest, before this program, math wasn't my favorite subject, but through this program and my outstanding teacher, I really decided to embrace and enjoy math more.
I wanted to do this because I wanted to push myself and take something on and head on and keep going.
I chose to take algebra in elementary school because I wanted to have more opportunities in life. Because I want to help make the world a better place for humans and animals alike.
Certainly when we started the pilot program, there were lots of adults, maybe even students, who doubted that this would be possible, that they could be successful at Algebra 1 in 6th grade. But we know that when we believe in students and believe in their ability to do advanced math, to do hard things, to embrace rigor, we know that when we believe in them, they begin to believe in themselves. And I do think that made all the difference for our students this year.
Is it 10x times the square root of 5x?
Let's see. Drum roll, please. Very good. Alex is correct.